Hi beautiful igbotic nonos, welcome back to my channel. Please, if you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe now and turn on the notification bell, okay?
Getting sick of all the small town talking.
So welcome back, guys. In today's video, you can see the name already, names of various food in Igbo language. I will be teaching you guys the various types of food in Igbo language and what it's called. Of course, the English name and the Igbo name, right? So you'll be learning that today. So that particular food you like eating, you will also know what it's called in Igbo. So when you visit your native place, you will be able to identify this food when they are mentioned, especially when you go to the markets or when you have your visitors or when you visit your village cousins and friends and family. Okay, so let's start. African star apple, Odara. Apple, Odara bekee. Avocado, ube bekee. Banana, unere. Beans, agwa. Beans ball, akara. Watercolor, aki ilu. Bitter leaf, onugbo. Bitter leaf soup, ofe onugbo. Biscuit, achicha okpo. Bread, achicha. Breadfruit, okwa. Cake, achicha uto. Cassava, akpu. Chicken, anu ọkụkọ. Corn, ọka. Coconut, aki oyibo. Cocoyam, ede. Egg, akwa. Fish, azụ. Fruit, mkpụrụ osisi. Garden egg, anyara. Goat meat, anụ ewu. Groundnut, ahụ ekere. Peanuts, ahụ ekere as well. Yeah. Honey, mmanụ anụ. Kola nut, ọjị. Lime, oroma nkịrịsị. Meat, anụ. Melon, egusi. Melon soup, egusi soup. Milk, mmiri ara ehi. Moi moi, steamed beans paste. Yeah, steamed beans paste savory dish. Do you understand? Mushroom, eru. Oil, mmanụ. Oil bean seed, ụgba. Okro, okro. Okro soup, ofe okro. Onions, ayo, or yabasị. Orange, oroma. Palm kernel, akụ, aki. Palm nut, akwụ. Ofe akwụ. Palm oil, mmanụ nri. Pap, akamu. Pear, ube. Pepper, ose. Plantain, abirika. Potato, nduku. Pounded yam, nri ji. Processed yam, garri. Rice, osikapa. Salt, nnu. Soup, ofe. Turkey meat, anu torotoro. Ujiri, a fruit. Vegetable fluted pumpkin, ugu. Do you understand? Yes, it's called ugu. And to proceed after this, vegetable used for oha soup is called oha leaf. Do you understand? Yeah, vegetable used for oha soup is called oha. Vegetable generally is called akwụkwọ nri. General name for vegetable is akwụkwọ nri. Vegetable general name is akwụkwọ nri. Okay. Yam, ji. Please, hope you have subscribed. Please. Yam, ji. Indomie, eriri. Spaghetti, eriri ogologo. It kind of sounds funny, right? Now you can repeat all that I said, like I always do. Give you an assignment and you repeat them as you can remember. Yes. And the first here, as we move along in the repetition of the words I just pronounced to you, guys, don't see this repetition of words as a stress. It's a kind of building you up and helping you to remember the things you have learned. Do you understand? So don't see it as a work. Yes, I actually did it like this on purpose so that it can help you to remember the ones you have learned along the line. Yes, so don't also forget to save in your watch letter as well. So yam, vegetable, soup. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.